Isuportado ni dating Defense Secretary at ngayon Muntinlupa Representative Rodolfo Biazon ang nilagdaang Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Amerika. Git na opisyal, hindi na kailangan ratipikahan ang naturang kasunduan dahil hindi ito nalalayo sa naunang Mutual Defense Treaty ng bansa. Ayon pa sa mambabatas, hindi magiging permanente ang mga itatayong istruktura ng Amerika at tanging layunin lang nito ay mapagtibay ang seguridad ng bansa laban sa mga sa ating teritoryo.
I do not think there is a need to ratify. Reason, the records of proceedings of the Constitutional Commission of 1986 is very clear. If an agreement will contain, number one, the issue of political in nature, if the issue is if the agreement is permanent, or if the agreement requires changes in existing policies, definitely any one of that will require any agreement to be ratified by the Senate. But let us take a look at EDCA. Is this a political in nature? It is security. It's all about security of this country. Prevents the prevention of aggression. Number two, is this permanent? No, it's 10 years. Does it require changes in certain policies? No, because this is designed to enhance the three existing treaties